Hi, to enable and use voice typing on your CMF Phone 1, firstly open any app in which you can use your keyboard, for example, Messages. Now let me just trigger my keyboard, and now we just need to take a look at this upper part above the keyboard itself. Here you should see settings icon, just tap it and find voice typing. And now all you have to do is to enable voice typing by tapping on the switcher. You can even enable faster voice typing to download a faster, more accurate way to recognize your voice. And once downloaded, it would be available offline. So consider enable this feature as well. Now let's go back. And as you can see, this microphone icon appears above the keyboard. So you just need to tap it. And now say something and it would be transformed into a text. As you can see, everything is working really smooth and perfect. So once you are done recording, you just need to tap this microphone icon once more and that's it. So each time you'll need to use voice typing feature, just find microphone icon above your keyboard and simply tap it like that, and as you can see, it is listening your voice and transforming it into a text. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.